Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Try to Learn. In this video, we will learn and write different tense forms. We will understand each form with the help of examples. We will take a single statement, that is, she is reading a book, and we will write it in different tense forms. That will make it much easier for us to understand the structure and use. If you want to learn the definition, use, structure, examples in details of tense, you can check out our video. The link is in the description box and also in the I button. We have covered the chapter tense in very detail, so we strongly recommend you to check that out first. Let's start. First form is simple past. In simple past, we will write, she read a book yesterday. Next is past continuous, which should be in progressive form. Example, she was reading the book. Next is past perfect. In past perfect, we will write, she had already read the book. Next, past perfect continuous. We will write, she had been reading for hours. Now, the second type of tense, that is present tense, and we will learn its 4 subtypes. First subtype is simple present. In simple present, we will write, she reads books every day. Next, present continuous. In present continuous, we will write, she is reading a book now. Next, present perfect. In present perfect, we will write, she has read that book. Next, present perfect continuous. In this, we will write, she has been reading the book. Next, move on to the third type or the final type of tense, that is future tense. It also has 4 subtypes and we will learn one by one. First one is simple future. In simple future, we will write, she will read a book tomorrow. Next, future continuous. In future continuous, we will write, she will be reading at this time tomorrow. Next, future perfect. In future perfect, we will write, by tomorrow, she will have finished the book. Last one, future perfect continuous. In this, we will write, by tomorrow, she will have been reading the book.